Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide your mouse cursor in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your main dashboard, navigate to the Sources section. This is where all your active sources like display captures, window captures, and other elements are listed. These sources are what OBS uses to capture and record your content. Now, locate the source where you want to hide the cursor. This could be a display capture, window capture, or game capture depending on what you're working with. Once you've identified the source, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing that particular source. From the menu that appears, select Properties. This option opens up a detailed settings window where you can adjust various parameters for your selected source. The Properties window gives you full control over how OBS captures that specific source, including visual elements like your cursor. Inside the Properties window, look for an option labeled Capture Cursor. You'll notice there's a checkbox next to it. By default, this option is typically enabled, which means your mouse cursor is visible in your recordings and streams. To hide your cursor, simply uncheck this box. Removing this checkmark tells OBS to exclude the cursor from the capture so it won't show up in your final output. After unchecking the Capture Cursor option, click OK at the bottom of the Properties window. This saves your changes and closes the settings panel. The adjustment takes effect immediately, so you don't need to restart OBS or do anything else. And that's it, your mouse cursor will no longer appear in your recordings or streams for that source. This is particularly useful when you want to create cleaner looking content without the distraction of a moving cursor, or when you're recording tutorials where the cursor might interfere with the visual flow. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.